Yeah.
Start. Good morning, friends.
Good morning, sir.
Once again, loud good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, wish you warm welcome in our fourth batch of retirement coach. Be a retirement coach for a investor family, and I am very happy that we are today in 6th day, and we have a 6 video learning participant with us today on 7th March 2019. Okay, and 4 participants from South India, 2 from the Pune. Okay, so we'll discuss one by one with each participant. Okay, what are your key learning? First, you can start with your introduction, your name, your work experience, achievements. Okay, what motivated to do a CAP certification? Why KU Shah? And already each of you have progressed in video learning. As minimum, you have completed 10 DVDs, and someone who has thoroughly completed 45 DVDs. So, what are key learning from video learning? Okay, how it help you to get the benefit in your personal life as well as professional life. Okay, we have also completed 1 full day in our CAP refresher course, or you can say be a retirement coach, which is our objective is to become a retirement specialist. So what are your key learning, and this learning how it will help you to achieve the next level? So let's start with Supriya ji. You can start, and then I'll interact with you for next 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay, sir. Hello, everybody.
Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning. Myself, I am Supriya Kedari, and I have completed my MCom, PGDBM, PGDFT, as well as MBS, that is Management and Business Studies. I had taken a long break of 9 years, and I have started now in the month of Jan. I contacted KU sir, and I have started my CFP right now. That's it, sir, with regard to my introduction.
Very good.
And okay, with regard to my work experience, I have a prior experience. My last assignment was with HDFC Securities. I was working as a zonal sales manager over there. Prior to that, it was ICICI Securities as an area sales manager. And before that, I was working with Tata AIG. Earlier, I was an admin, and then later on, I had joined the sales part as a management business associate. And prior to that, it was a corporate business center wherein I was working into the admin department. So that's about my work experience.
So almost how many years you work?
So I started
sabbatical
immediately
break?
after my 12th. I had started working. So
Okay, almost 1 decade you work.
that's right, sir.
Okay, good. And then you took a 9-year break, and now again you are joining
I'm
your
rejoining.
husband business.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We already have our consultancy. It's called as Sandria Investment Advisors Limited. And my husband is already, he is there right from 2012. He is actively doing his work in mutual fund industry. So to help him, I thought even I'll go ahead and take this particular career because my exposure is also in the financial background itself. That is the reason why I thought that we will join as a team and we can be in a position to really work out great results, hopefully.
Very good. And good part is that her husband Santosh ji, he has successfully completed CAP certification long back, if I recollect, in 2015. Okay, and he motivated to complete the first CAP before joining the full-time office, because we have to become a different. If we follow same crowd, okay, then we may get an average result. But if you want to get a better than average result, then we have to do something different, which right now only 1 out of 10 people are doing, and maybe 1 out of 100 people are doing. So I am very happy that you decided and you have started. So Supriya ji, what are your key learning? You have completed almost 15-16 DVDs. So what are your key learning in 15-16 DVDs?
So first of all, let me tell you, I mean, like as Santosh directly, the way he guided me that I should be doing first CFP, and I think so that was the best part. Earlier I was thinking, nee, let me get some sort of experience, let me fill up the application forms, let me just go ahead with it, and then I might be doing CFP. But he was very clear, no, you don't get into it. First you do your CFP, clear it, and then you can go ahead with it, because that particular professional touch which is there, basically you will be able to develop trust with your clients, you will be able to do it perfect. I mean, like the way you will handle the clients, it will definitely be much more value added as well. And I think so I am really happy with that thing. And secondly, I am really happy that I have got you as my coach, because with that things are becoming quite easy. After 15 DVDs, whatever I had seen, I don't think so CFP is that tough. Probably, I don't know, I might encounter it little later on probably. But so far the journey is quite...
it is tough, but provided you have 2 things in place. One, you have to appoint a right coach, because it is not like that if there is some specialist operation is required and you do it in self-study, that disease, curing that disease. Okay, and second is that once you have appointed right coach, you have to follow the treatment. So here you are investing every 3 hours per day time for next 10 to 12 months. So definitely we can achieve the tough goal when we have divided into the different milestones. Okay, yeah, please.
And I mean, like after I have heard about a lot of experiences of other people, like they had earlier gone to some other person and then later on they joined you. So from that experiences, I always feel I am a little blessed because I am actually following only one person, and for me it is like you know, that particular process of unlearn and then relearn, that is not happening with me. It is only learn and relearn. So that is a little easy journey, I would say, rather than this thing. So that is one of the things, and that is the reason why I think so video learnings are definitely helping me out.
So what are these, suppose if you say you are a homemaker, okay, and managing your own family since last 9 years, you have a 6-year-old daughter.
That's right.
Okay, so now when you completed let's say last 2 month video learning journey, so what are the personal benefits you derived out of this video learning journey?
So first of all, definitely like as Santosh has also completed his CFP, we are on track with few things, but definitely there are some things which I also I mean, like after learning the videos, I also got onto a particular track, and there was, I mean, like recently we have shifted our house because of my daughter's new school, and also for me to join the office, we have shifted our residence. So I was actually under the impression that we should go ahead for a new house. But I think so after your video learnings, I am clear, no, जो घर एक है वो रहने दो, यहाँ पे rental basis पे रहेंगे, and then later on in the future we can really think. So that was, my husband is like relaxed, relieved. He's like, wow, it's a good decision. You are going ahead for CFP because of that, even you are in a position to now understand how the calculations are done. And a major decision of buying the house, we have postponed it for quite a long time now.
It's a big achievement.
Yeah, so I would say instead of getting into that debt trap, we are out of that debt trap for some time being at least now.
And whenever you want to, anyone want to buy a house, definitely we don't deny, but at least ideally one must live in that particular area where you would like to buy a house, so you are comfortable with the benefit and the challenges in that particular area or particular location. And once you have stayed 1 or 2 years, then you zero in the one property, and before you buy, you sell your first one.
That's
and
right.
Only the remaining amount you can took a loan. So that's how you have a limited loan and limited PMT for the house repayment, and you need not to worry about the you can say you don't have a sufficient money for other goals.
Right.
Good. So that wise decision you took. So, and how you have carried forward to your existing or potential client, like practical applications?
So practical application as such, it has not yet happened, to be very honest. But yes, with in the video sessions, as we had mentioned, we have to meet the prospective clients. So I have met 2 to 3 prospective clients for whom I have done my goal sheet as well as my retirement planning handout I have completed for them. And probably in the near future, they are definitely going to be my customers.
Okay. So what is their feedback when you met and discussed this new process, which you were also aware last year?
Right.
They were also unaware. What is their first-hand feedback?
First of all, they are kind of family friends, I would say.
Okay.
It's not that they are absolutely new.
No
So the approach was quite easy. I mean, like that ice-breaking session was really easy for me because
for ice breaking. We want to say what is their
feedback with regard
feedback or feeling after understanding how much inflation adjusted corpus required for their goal.
Definitely the reaction is being shocked, as you mentioned it. I mean, like, yes, they were a little shocked to know that they have to invest this kind of corpus, and now you know that particular bug is already there in the mind that they have to start investing. Somewhere that retirement planning goal has definitely started to crop up in their mind, because one person is almost of age 42 and he has not yet started as of now any retirement funding. So for him, he is definitely going ahead. But only the thing is, probably later on, again, if I meet and few more solutions if I will give him, and then we can go ahead with the
So now this video will watch many of your existing and potential investors. So how you would like to differentiate, or you can share that how Sunria, if I say Santosh and Supriya. So Sunria is different from the others.
So basically, now in case if I go ahead with my CFP, and if by God's grace and KUS's blessings, if I complete my CFP, there will be 2 CFPs who are managing the Sangria investments. So definitely we will be expecting, we are giving professional advice to the clients. It's not an average advisor or an agent who is coming to your place. So definitely it is one of the professional approach that we would be having. We have few systems already in place, and after I joined this particular organization in a full-fledged way, I would also be doing some sort of changes. So definitely the role will be, we will segregate our roles, and this is definitely going to help to build up the corpus also. And I think so we are into a business wherein it should be trustworthy and it should help the clients. So basically it is going to be a win-win situation either for the clients or for us. So we will be looking ahead for that particular part.
Very good.
And yes, see, basically nobody plans to fail. It is only they fail to plan. So here we are here to guide them and make them plan for their future.
Good, very good. So my feedback or suggestion to the all potential or existing investor, when you have to invest your hard-earned savings for a short-term or long-term period, you have to ensure that the person must be qualified. Licensing, everyone has MFI distribution license, or you can say IRD license or stockbroker license, but that license gives them right to sell, but not right to advise. And they are not they have a right to sell the product, but they are not qualified to advise. Okay, so when you hire a qualified and experienced certified financial planner, so he or she will, okay, or their organization will give you a professional guidance. It will backed by the you can say a comprehensive financial or goal-based financial plan, and I'm sure that if you experience, then you will understand the benefit of it. So I thank you, Supriya ji, for sharing your valuable introduction and the introduction, etc., etc. So I request to all potential and existing investors of the Sangria Investments to give one appointment to specifically Supriya ji, so she can come and meet me, meet you personally, understand and prepare your goal-based financial plan. Definitely this year she may not charge the fee, but next year once she become a certified financial planner, she will also charge the fixed fee. So thank you very much.
Thanks, Etan. Thank you, sir.